In today's business landscape, Microsoft 365 is a crucial tool used by over 1 million companies worldwide. Their suite of applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and Outlook, plays a vital role in boosting team productivity while streamlining collaboration and facilitating daily operations. If you are using the standard business license, you might be exposing your business to security threats. To enhance security and efficiency, consider simple strategies outlined in the VDC.cloud guide. Upgrading to Microsoft 365 Business Premium license with offsite cloud data backup provides access to a suite of essential advanced security features, such as advanced threat protection, data loss prevention, and regular data backup with retention for up to 25 years. The service is designed for companies with 1 to 300 users. Cybercrime affects businesses globally. Improve the protection of your business exchanges online and data. Contact VDC.cloud today to begin your Microsoft 365 Business Premium upgrade.